Jet 17-inch drill press features a full 5-inch spindle travel, a sturdy cast iron head with a poly V-belt drive system, making it designed to perform. In this example, we'll be demonstrating how to drill holes partially through a board. Begin by installing your desired drill bit for the project you're working on. Loosen the table locking mechanism and lower it to your desired height. Lock it in place. Be sure your table insert is in place. Turn the table light and the laser on. Mark your wood piece to the desired depth and place the material on the table. Use the downfeed handle to lower the bit until it just contacts the top surface of the workpiece. Hold the downfeed handle in position and rotate the scale ring to 0. This sets the workpiece surface as your 0 reference point. The bit can now be repeatedly lowered to drill holes to the preset depth using the downfeed handles. Once complete, turn the machine off. Learn more about the Jet 17-inch drill press on our website. And don't forget, your tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.